is Jennifer Simo. I'm an interior designer here at the Evans, Georgia location. Today we're going to talk about our new collection, Hammary Structures. If you're in the market for a built-in bookcase, but you don't want the work of a contractor and you don't want the price tag, Structures may be for you. This is a completely customizable system. It's going to be built from the bottom up, so you'll have your base for sturdiness. They'll kind of build the pieces up, and then you'll have your crown to finish it off. That crown's really going to give you a finished look, and again, it gives you the look of having a built-in, but it's going to be more customizable. Each piece of Structures is going to be this beautiful white finish, and then you have endless options. So what we have here, you can do the glass on the doors, or you can do a wood if you didn't want the glass showing as well. We also have an option if you want to expand this and then you want to put a TV in the middle. So there are endless options with Structures. It's really versatile. You can use it in a dining room, bedroom, living room, office space. Here we are showing it in an entertainment center in a living room. You can fit at least a 65-inch TV in there, built-in shelves on each side, and this is customizable, so there's an option if you wanted doors on the sides. You can do doors with glass or doors with wood, and then you still have all your openings for cables, cord management, anything like that. So this is one option that you could use Structures for. Another option is that you can use it in a dining space. If you don't want your typical hutch or a buffet, you want something a little more light and airy, this is an option where you can do kind of an open look but still have the storage for anything you'd like. This is a little bit taller too, so it adds some height to the room, and again, you can do these closed if you didn't want the glass to be open as well. Structures can also be used in an office space. This is also buildable, so if you need something shorter, you don't want something as long, you can do that as well. This is a classic look for an office space. You have the option to do doors on either side, and then this is kind of split with open shelving in the middle. So if you do want to display some things or you want to hide some things, you can do that as well. This option is showing drawers on the bottom, but you do have the option again to do open shelving. This is completely customizable, so each office space, if there's something specific you want or look you want, you can achieve it with Structures. So each piece of Structures is going to have a base. The base is going to have adjustable levelers so that in any room that you put it in, it's going to be level to the floor. And then each cabinet is going to have interlocking pieces. Each cabinet is meant to fit directly on the base or directly onto the piece next to it. This will keep each piece from moving, keep it in place, and then at the top you're going to have your crown, and that's going to give you that finished look. Each base is going to come in 5 different sizes, ranging from 31 inches to 131 inches, so depending on the size of your space, we can customize it to the room. The single package starting width is 31 inches, double package width is 56 inches, triple package width is 81 inches, quadruple package width is 106 inches, quintuple package width is 131 inches. Depending on the configuration you do with Structures, your price can vary. Whether you do something larger or you do something smaller, your final cost will depend on your final configuration. If you were thinking Structures may be for you, have one of the designers here at La-Z-Boy come out, take measurements of your space. We can find the right configuration, make sure we get the right setup for you, and then our delivery team will come out and take care of everything for you. They'll set it up, make sure it's properly installed.